tickling babies, scratching balls. This one's got it all. Except Randy Rose and probably not Rudy Sarzo either. Maybe not even Carlos Cavazo, but I guess somehow it's still quiet, Ryan. Yeah, hair metal guru, help me out here. A little help, please. Now you're just going to sit there with your warrant shirt on and warrant! Coming up next, by the way. Anyway, back to this shit. I'll talk to you later. Have a heart attack. Oh, I almost forgot the corporate sponsorship. Kevin Dubrow delivering his striped wooden spoon to the grunge community with a hearty screw you. And that's why we love Chevy Maybe. Who is that? Is that Carlos? That ain't Carlos. No. Carlos doesn't even play that. Where's the flying dude? The fuck? Oh shit. This is the heroin years. These are the heroin years. I hate to say it. Oh, God. Yeah, he's looking pretty disconcerted and disheveled. He's looking like a predator, actually. With crime. I wish Frankie would throw in some of those wasp bills. I hear a hairball salami going on outside. You have to check that out. But right now we got this one. Yeah, keep the hair in your face so they'll think you're Carlos. That's not going to work. There it is. Yeah, we saw your wooden spoon face. You're not Carlos. Oh, that's not the striped mic stand. No. Okay, it's not quite right. Oh, almost forgot. Sorry about that. Hey, who's on the bass? That's not Chocolo or Rudy. Fucking 2 wooden spoons up front, backing him up. Really? Yeah, tickling the baby, but I'm not Carlos. Who the fuck did he just try to... Who are you trying to fight with that thing? He's mad because he doesn't have the striping mics. Did somebody get the damn striping mics done?